Hey guys, today I got a Galaxy Z Flip 3 as my secondary phone. This is not replacing my 13 Pro, but it's going to be my secondary phone. I know I already have an S22, but I've really wanted to check out a folding phone for a while, and I had the chance to get a Z Flip first generation, but unfortunately Samsung messed up the repair, and I'm not paying $500 to get that thing replaced. So, for around $800, I went and bought this Z Flip 3. It's a really nice device, and I think it's going to be a great phone for me to mess with because I've been wanting a folding phone for a while. And I like the design of the phone, I like the screen size, and I like how pocketable it is because sometimes when I'm going places, I don't want to bring my whole 13 Pro because it's just a bit too big. But this is the opposite of that. It's really compact, and when I need to, I can just unfold it perfectly. So, thank you for watching this video. More WWDC content is coming soon. I'm just working on editing my macOS 13 video, so thanks for watching again, and goodbye.